In this video, I will show you how to post a status on your WhatsApp. So first of all, make sure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. And if you have done that, go ahead and open your WhatsApp. And then from here, navigate to the tab all the way at the bottom left. So from here, you can just click on Add to Status. So I don't have a status right now, so I'm going to click on this plus icon in here. And then from here, you can either select something from your album or your photos from your gallery, or you can select the camera to add something to your status. So when you want to go to your camera, you need to go to the Photos tab. So I'm just going to that tab and then click on Camera. So right now I can just shoot something with my camera. So let's say I want this, and I'm going to click on this right now. And now I can add a caption, and I can also mention someone in this status. And if I do that, the other person will be able to repost this on their own status. So I'm just going to post it like this, click on Send. And now, as you can see, my status is right now updated, and this is what I have in my status right now. And down below, I can see the viewers, and this is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.